Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another chill reaction, man. And tonight we got a video called 10 Universe Theories that will keep you up all night, at night, you know? I love videos like this. I love philosophical questions and, questioning ourselves and the existence, and I love theories in general. And I love to bring educational content, reacting to educational content in this channel. So yeah, man, let's get right into it.
Space is extremely intriguing, and some theories of
Hell
the things
yeah,
that
it is.
happen there make us wonder more about it every day. Number 10. What was there before the Big Bang? We
What
all
was
know
there
that things came to
before?
be after the Big Bang, but what was there before the Big Bang? It's believed that there was an initial singularity before anything else. This is a gravitational singularity predicted by general relativity to have existed before the Big Bang and thought to have contained all the energy and space-time of the universe. The initial singularity possessed seemingly infinite density, thought to have contained all of the mass and space-time of the universe before quantum fluctuations caused it to rapidly expand in the Big Bang and subsequent inflation, creating the present-day universe. Number 9. What happens when you fall into a black hole? With black holes being one of the most
Let me guess, you die. I guess that's not a theory, that's a reality, but the theory,
intriguing
I don't know, let's see.
astronomical objects in the universe, it's no surprise that some people have wondered countless times what would happen if you fell into one. To fully appreciate what's a black hole, we need to first understand the properties of one. A black hole is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing else can escape.
Not
Black
even
holes
light.
are named as such because they can't reflect nor emit light, and they're only visible when they're feeding on other stars or gas clouds that come too close to their event horizons, their main boundary. Beyond the event horizon lies a truly minuscule point called a singularity, where gravity is so intense that it infinitely curves space-time itself. This is where the laws of physics as we know them break down, meaning all theories of what lies beyond are just speculation.
Yep.
If you were free-floating in space near a stellar mass...
Imagine that though. Inside the black hole, the physics that we know about cease to exist. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? I will try not to ramble because, the theories about the universe make me, think a lot of shit. Yeah, let me just continue with the video.
black
man,
hole
but
that wasn't
how
feeding on
crazy
anything,
is that?
your only hint that it exists might be the gravitational magnification or lensing effect it would have on background stars. But as you flew closer to this strange spot, you'd be stretched in some directions and squished in others, a process that scientists call spaghettification. This is because the black hole's gravity compresses your body horizontally while pulling it like taffy in the vertical direction. If you jumped into the black hole
Compresses.
feet first, the gravitational
Wow.
force on your toes would be much stronger than that pulling on your head. Meanwhile, if you were to plunge into a supermassive black hole, things would be considerably less scary. While it might still result in a horrible death, you might make it all the way through the event horizon and
Man.
manage to start falling inside the singularity
meme
while
right
you're
there.
still alive. You'll die either way, but at least things here
Yeah.
will be a little less painful. Number 8. The Earth will become like Venus. Both Earth and Venus are very similar planets. They have very similar size, mass, and composition, though their main difference is that Earth sustains life, and Venus is essentially a galactic wasteland because it's mostly composed of carbon dioxide. However, climate change isn't the only thing that might affect Earth becoming like Venus. As the Sun becomes 10% hotter around 1 billion years from now, the surface temperature of Earth will reach 47 degrees Celsius, prompting the temperature of Earth to increase rapidly and its oceans to boil away until it becomes a greenhouse planet. A greenhouse planet, like Venus, isn't exactly the nicest place to live in the universe.
I don't think life will exist if and when that happens, like you said, in like a billion years. But maybe, of course, you never know. Life finds its way through evolution and all that to survive somehow. But yeah, let's continue though.
Venus's atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide and chokingly thick, with an atmospheric pressure at the surface 90 times that of Earth. That's the equivalent pressure
Wow.
of a mile beneath our ocean waves. It's so thick that you almost have to swim through it just to move around.
So Venus is thick, huh? I'm sorry, I'm playing.
And on top
I'm
of
playing.
this are clouds that are literally made of sulfuric acid. Number 7.
Wow.
White holes. We all know about the existence
White
of black
holes.
holes, but did you know that their distant cousins, the white hole, also exist?
Hold on. They really exist? I thought it was just a theory that at the end of a black hole, maybe there's a white hole that it's maybe in a different universe or in a different, place in the universe. That a black hole, if you would be able to survive entering a black hole, you would get out of a white hole. But they do exist? I mean, we observe them, we know that they exist.
And if you think black holes are weird, white holes will literally blow you away. Instead of absorbing matter, white holes spew it out. To a spaceship crew watching from afar, a white hole looks exactly like a black hole. It has mass, it might spin.
Wow.
A ring of dust and gas could gather around the event horizon. But instead of absorbing things, they're belching matter out.
Yeah, the
Physicists
spit.
describe a white hole as a black hole's
No.
time reversal. A video of a black hole played backwards, much as a bouncing ball is the time reversal of a falling ball. While a black hole's event horizon is a sphere of no return, a white hole's event horizon is a boundary of no admission, space-time's most exclusive club.
God
Number
damn.
6. Big Rip. All good things must come to an end, and it seems like the universe is one of these. This is something
Big
established
Rip.
by the Big Rip, in which
The end of
scientists
the
have
universe,
theorized that the
right?
universe could end up expanding so much that it will eventually rip itself to pieces.
Yeah.
Solar
I heard
systems,
about that
planets,
before.
asteroid belts, and even whole galaxies will be torn apart. Of course, that's something that will happen several million years from now, so it's not like we're going to be here when it does. But when it does, you can bet that things will not be pretty for humans. Number 5.
If humans
the
still
Drake
exist.
Equation. The Drake equation is a formula that's been used to estimate the number of active extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. How many alien societies exist and are detectable? This famous formula gives us an idea. The Drake equation, which was the agenda for a meeting of experts held in West Virginia in 1961, estimates N, the number of transmitting societies in the Milky Way galaxy. The terms are defined as follows. N,
Man, I have no idea. You just lost me completely. Me, a math problem.
the number of civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy whose electromagnetic emissions are detectable. R, the rate of formation of stars suitable for the development of intelligent life, number per year. F sub p, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems. N sub e, the number of planets per solar system with an environment suitable for life. F sub L, the fraction of suitable planets on which life actually appears. F sub I, the fraction of life-bearing planets on which intelligent life emerges. F sub C, the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that produces detectable signs of their existence. And L, the average length of time such civilizations produce such signs in years. Number 4. Time is running out. Some scientists theorize that distant celestial bodies only seem the way they look because we're actually looking back in time to see them. That means that celestial bodies were moving faster in the past than they are now because time is slowing down.
Time
Even
is
if we don't
slowing
know how much
down?
it's slowing down, we know that it might slow down to a stop if things are left as they are. Number
Wow.
3. Hitler's opening speech.
Time is slowing down? I mean, everything in this video is just a theory, but I never heard about that theory, and he just briefly talks about it, not explaining what the theory is actually about, but goddamn. Hitler's opening
Did
speech?
you know that the first signal broadcast strong enough to
What does that have to do with the universe? I mean, I guess he's about to say.
pierce through Earth's atmosphere was Hitler's opening speech at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin.
Wow.
That means that should aliens find Earth, that's probably one of the first things they'll mention to us when we communicate with them. It's
Oh my God. Can you imagine that? The first thing that aliens hears from humans is Hitler's speech. Oh crap. We're Oh no. Oh no. I
probably
hope
the
this
first sound
isn't
they
true.
heard from humans.
Oh no.
Number 2.
Maybe that's why they haven't contacted us yet, you know? Because they heard that speech. They were like, hell no. These creatures are crazy. We can't come in contact with them. If they heard Hitler's speech, man.
The Fermi paradox.
Yeah, the
The
Fermi
paradox, named after Enrico Fermi, establishes that there's a contradiction between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial civilization and various high estimates for their probability, such as the Drake equation that we just saw.
Yeah.
Alien life has to simply exist in one form or another, but if that's the case, then where are the aliens? The Fermi paradox establishes that it's much harder for life to exist than we originally thought, or that more life has actually existed and been destroyed over time. And
I reacted to a video explaining more about the Fermi paradox, and if you don't know about it and you are interested in scientific theories and videos like this one, you should check out that video, you know, because he's not explaining much about the theories right here, he's just naming them. And the Fermi paradox is something that intrigues my mind really, really much, because it's a paradox, you know, and it's there's no clear answer to that. But yeah, let's get to number 1.
1. The universe is a computer simulation.
Oh yeah,
If
of
you've watched
course,
The
everybody
Matrix, then
heard
put
that.
your tinfoil hats on, because
Nowadays-
the universe might just be like the movie depicts it.
It could be,
The
yeah.
simulation hypothesis, or simulation theory, is the proposal that all of reality, including the Earth and the rest of the universe, could in fact be an artificial simulation, such as a computer simulation. Moderator Neil deGrasse Tyson, director of the museum's Hayden Planetarium, put the odds at 50-50 that our entire existence is a program on someone else's hard drive.
50-50 though.
He noted the gap
Wow.
between human and chimpanzee intelligence, despite the fact that we share more than 98% of our DNA.
Excuse me, I've never seen chimpanzees smoking before. What the hell is that? Oh god. Let's finish this video though, man. I don't want to get, you know, I don't want to start talking about like I said, I didn't want to start theorizing and giving my thoughts on every single one of those theories, because I clearly can't know nothing about those theories, you know, whether they're true or not. But of course they're thought-provoking, and that's the incredible thing about videos like this and scientific theories in general, you know.
Somewhere out there could be a being whose intelligence is that much greater than our own. The main argument for this theory is based on the universe's laws. As the more scientists learn about the universe, the more they realize that it's very similar to a computer simulation.
Well, maybe that was the video, you know, but maybe on the last theory, the universe, maybe, not that the universe is like a computer simulation, but maybe the computer simulations that humanity created are close to the universe's laws. I mean, of course. But yeah, man, that was really interesting video. It creates a lot of, like I said, it's thought-provoking, you know. And it makes you realize either you're gonna get scared about the vastness of the universe, or you're gonna get intrigued. And I hope you got intrigued by it. Even if it made you scared about the universe and all that, it's okay, you know. We're in this together. But yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell right next to the subscribe button to get all the notifications and all that. Help me reach 100 subscribers. And yeah, until the next one, man. like I said, make sure to stay calm, stay chilling. Yeah. Peace.